So this is my brand new car, which is not so brand new. It's actually as old as I am. And we're in the process of fixing the alternator at the moment so that I don't have an issue driving on the freeway. We're putting in new bushings, which are these things that hold it together. There's a little rubber cushion that should be there that has been worn down almost completely, so we're replacing that. And in the meantime, we're gonna play with the Bond. Bond! Look here. Look here. Look here. Alright, go here. That boy loves sticks. Come here. Come on. He's actually a great retriever, he just hasn't been trained to actually know how to retrieve it and bring it back. Oh well, let's see if I can teach him that. Bye everybody!